And after nearly a year after his controversial racist remark on India's diversity sparked political slugfest, Chairman of Indian Overseas Congress, Sam Pitroda, has once again found himself in a soup as he reflected upon the migrants in the country. Watch this report for more.
Amid the rising concerns over illegal Bangladeshi infiltrators entering India, Rahul Gandhi's advisor and Congress leader Sam Pitroda has sparked a row. Pitroda has said that Bangladeshis can enter India legally or illegally. Not only this, Pitroda also said that everybody must be included even if we have to suffer. BJP swiftly reacted to Sam Pitroda's statement, calling the remark outrageous.
हुआ तो हुआ कहने वाले सैम पित्रोदा जी ने एक और अपना ज्ञान साझा किया है। वो कहते हैं कि माइग्रेशन इमिग्रेशन पे क्यों बोलना है। कोई अवैध बांग्लादेशी देश में घुसपैठ करके आ जाए तो वी मस्ट शेयर, हमें दिल खुला रखना चाहिए, उनको इंक्लूड करना चाहिए। तो क्या हुआ अगर वो अवैध रूप से आते हैं, बांग्लादेशी आए, उस पर कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहिए। अवैध बांग्लादेशियों को रेड कारपेट देना चाहिए। यही कांग्रेस का बांग्लादेशी रोहिंग्या प्रेम है। और कांग्रेस का ही नहीं, आम आदमी पार्टी, कांग्रेस, MIM, समाजवादी, ये सब का कंपटीशन चल रहा है।
This is not for the first time that Sam Pitroda has stirred a controversy with his remarks. In May of 2024, Pitroda said that Indians in the East look like Chinese and those in the South look like Africans. In June of 2023, Pitroda said that temples will not solve issues like unemployment and inflation. And in 2019, Pitroda used the words, and I'm quoting him, "Hua to hua," while trying to dismiss questions on the 1984 anti-Sikh riots. But the question is, despite such a controversial statement, why does Congress still not take any action against Sam Pitroda? And why does he still continue to be Rahul Gandhi's chief advisor?
Getting some big breaking news coming in right now, viewers. Income tax officials have raided 4 businessmen' house in Belgavi. IT conducts raids on businessmen. Karnataka and Goa officials searches conducted at residence and office on businessmen. So that's a big update coming in right now on Republic TV, where we see IT raids at the residences of 4 businessmen. Now these businessmen are Vinod Dodanavar, Pushpa Danta Dodanavar, Ajit Patel and Ashok Hambarwadi. The Karnataka and Goa officials are searching the residences and the offices of these businessmen. So those are pictures coming in as well. IT raids are happening at residence of businessmen. We will be trying to get you more updates on the story in a short while from now. But this is what that we are learning of. Okay, let's move ahead right now to some of the other stories that we're tracking here on Republic TV.